Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good to have you all back in this for this Pepe update. Pepe has been quite bullish, which I'm actually not too happy about, and I'll elaborate on that a little bit later. But I was needed to do a little Pepe update, as most of you know, if you watch these videos. What we have identified is that the Friday for Pepe is notoriously bullish. Like for example, last Friday we got this in the next couple of hours. Usually the bullish momentum does stop before the weekend, by the way, but for some reason I just associate it with the weekend. But it tends to be that the Friday is just relatively bullish. It kind of differs. I mean, the weekend before we had some bullish momentum until like Saturday afternoon, and then before that we had some bullish momentum all the way heading into Sunday. So we'll have to see where that bullish momentum brings us. I think it also depends on the market quite a bit. But that's what we'll talk about in this video, because I am bullish on the short term for Pepe, even though we are at resistance right now. But we'll talk about that a little bit more in this video, and I will also tell you why I'm a little bit angry with Pepe. But alright, that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now to Pepe. So the thing is that the technicals right now are actually quite tricky for Pepe, because we did find support at the level we have been talking about for the entire week already. This level around 8,500. Like back when the price was up here, I already said this is the level to buy from, right? And the reason why I'm angry is I never bought from that level. All right, that's just the truth. That's just the truth. I never bought there because I never felt like the market circumstances were right. I mean, I'm not going to buy straight after a crash like this. I'm also not going to buy while I'm already buying other cryptos, which I was doing on Monday and Tuesday. And I'm not going to buy it when we got bearish momentum like this, which for most cryptos was actually more. So it kind of felt like a minor crash. But in the end, it was a very strong level. Like yesterday, I still thought about buying at that level, didn't do it. But alright, that's crypto for you, and I'm definitely in no way, in no shape or form, not making money in the markets. So it's alright. But right now the thing is that we have quite a strong resistance level right here around 9,500. So the thing I'm struggling with a little bit right now is if we can break above that, because at this point of time I do expect some more bullish momentum from Bitcoin, and therefore together with what we know from Pepe, I think at this point of time, my most likely scenario is that we will break above that level at around it's 9,500 or 9,600, and that we'll find resistance at 10,000, take a break retest, and get up to this level around 10,500, because I don't think this trend line is going to be that strong. Hasn't been respected that much, and it's also not that valid. In the end, we are in a downtrend, all right? So I don't think we can break above this level unless we get some very big news about Pepe. But that's not what I expect. But for now, I do think we can get up there. It's a little bit of a risky thing to say, I would think, because if we want to do that, we still have a lot of resistance levels to break above. And we need to get bullish momentum from Bitcoin, I think, because I think Pepe on its own cannot do it. But yeah, it still is my take for right now, Pepe. If for some reason, before the evening of Friday, so if we cannot break above this level, let's say at around 10 p.m. on Friday in the European time zone, then it's probably too late, and then we might still spike up, but then it's probably just going to be that we'll stay in this consolidation between 8,500 and 9,500. So then I was wrong. So we do need to, I think this is the most likely scenario, but we do need to do it quick. Otherwise, I think it's invalidated. But that's my take on Pepe for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.